Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy business insurance solutions with AIG, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying business insurance solutions with AIG, start by identifying your business needs. Assess the specific risks your business faces. Consider factors such as industry, location, and size. Next, visit the AIG website to gather information on available insurance solutions. Explore their offerings, which may include property insurance, liability insurance, and workers' compensation. Once you have a clear understanding of your options, create a list of potential coverages relevant to your business. Reach out to an AIG representative for a detailed consultation. Prepare questions in advance to ensure you address all your concerns. During the consultation, discuss your business's specific needs and how AIG can meet them. Request a custom proposal outlining the insurance coverages best suited for your business. After receiving the proposal, review it carefully. Compare the suggested coverages with your initial list to ensure all needs are met. If necessary, ask the representative for clarification on complex terms or coverages. Once you are satisfied with the proposal, gather necessary documents for the application process. These may include financial statements, business licenses, and employee information. Submit your application along with the required documentation. After submission, follow up with AIG to confirm receipt of your application. Be prepared to answer any additional questions they may have during the underwriting process. Once approved, carefully review the policy terms and conditions provided by AIG. Make note of the coverage limits, deductibles, and exclusions. If everything aligns with your expectations, finalize the agreement by signing the policy documents. After the policy is in effect, ensure you maintain continuous communication with AIG. Regularly review your coverage as your business evolves. Adjust your policy as needed to address new risks or changes in your business model. Utilize AIG's resources and support for any questions or claims in the future. With these steps, you will successfully deploy insurance solutions tailored to your business needs with AIG. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.